my daughter-in-law is learning Yiddish a little because before they got married, she called me Rebecca. At the point where they were getting married, she asked me, what did I want her to call me? So I said, well, you could still call me Rebecca. I said, I'm not your mother, so I don't like you to call me Mom. I said, but there is a word in Yiddish called Schwieger, and that's what I am, your mother-in-law, so you can call me Schwieger. Well, she jumped at it. It was something new for her. And Jeffrey says, you want to be called Schwieger? I said, Jeffrey, it's a good word because my Bubba was called Schwieger by my father, and it was a title of respect. And the customers who came into the store used to call her Mrs. Schwieger because they thought that was her name. So Schwieger has positive connotations for me, even though there are many jokes about mothers-in-law and daughters-in-law. So I have a good daughter-in-law, and she calls me Schwieger. And she made me a Mother's Day apron. She's very good on the computer, and it was for Schwieger. And they were looking for an expression that would represent eating. And I have a little book called Yiddish Wisdom. And it's all about little Sprichwörter. So one of them says, as der Bauch ist ledig, ist der Moach euch ledig. So that's on the apron. And when I do a Yiddish program for seniors, I show them this, that you can pass on something. They won't be Yiddishists, they won't be Yiddish speakers, but there's a tam that hopefully they get.